In my opinion, learning English is easier when you practice every day. In my opinion, learning English every day really helps improve fluency. In my opinion, exercise is the best way to reduce stress. In my opinion, honesty is more important than popularity. As far as I'm concerned, you are doing a great job. As far as I'm concerned, honesty always comes first. As far as I'm concerned, everyone deserves a second chance. As far as I'm concerned, she is the best person for the job. To be honest, I didn't really enjoy the movie. To be honest, some technology is more of a hindrance than a help. To be honest, I think the new policy is completely unworkable. To be honest, I don't think this plan will work. I'm fond of reading mystery novels. I'm fond of learning new languages. I'm fond of animals, especially dogs. I'm fond of traveling to different historical places. To tell you the truth, I didn't understand the lecture. To tell you the truth, I was afraid of public speaking. To tell you the truth, I wasn't prepared for the test. To tell you the truth, I don't trust him. I have been studying English for 3 years. I have been waiting for you since morning. I have been planning my vacation for 2 months. I have been an avid reader of English newspapers for many years. Generally speaking, this is a difficult question to answer. Generally speaking, champions are built from perseverance. Generally speaking, the coldest weather comes in December. Generally speaking, teachers assign homework to help students learn. Apart from this, there are many more things to think about. Apart from these, we have some important issues to consider. Apart from these, everything else in the report looks perfect. Apart from this minor error, the essay is well written. There has been a lot of rain this week. There has been a negative development in social values. There has been substantial improvement in technology. There has been a positive development in art and culture. A significant number of people attended the rally despite the heavy rain. A significant number of people are suffering from this disease. A significant number of people are oppressed by the military rule. A significant number of people are influenced by TV advertisements. It has become a trend to work remotely after the pandemic. It has become popular to work from home. It has become normal to communicate through text messages. It has become a serious problem in the community. If we think about the future, we must act responsibly today. If we think about our health, we should eat better and exercise regularly. If we think about education, it's clear how important teachers are. If we think about kindness, every small act can make a big difference. Nobody knows why. Nobody knows why we become affected by certain life-threatening viruses. Nobody knows why she left the party early. Nobody knows why the teacher canceled the class. Nobody knows why the project failed. It is believed that hard work leads to success. It is believed that laughter is the best medicine. It is believed that learning never stops. It is believed that exercise improves mental health. Compared to city life, village life is quieter. Compared to her brother, she is more outgoing. Compared to the past, communication is much faster now. Compared to fans, air conditioners are more comfortable. I'm looking forward to the weekend. I'm looking forward to meeting you. I'm looking forward to starting my new job. I'm looking forward to your reply. Good at. She is good at solving complicated mathematical problems. I'm not good at dancing, but I enjoy it. She is good at painting landscapes. He is good at solving problems. Once you learn the basics, everything gets easier. Once you start, don't give up. Once you believe in yourself, anything is possible. Once you understand the rules, the game becomes fun. Thanks to your help, I finished the project on time. Thanks to modern technology, we can communicate instantly across the world. Thanks to online shopping, I don't have to go to crowded markets anymore. Thanks to computer, lots of tasks are now easier. There is nothing as refreshing as a cold drink on a hot day. There is nothing as exciting as traveling to a new place. There is nothing as delicious as homemade food. There is nothing as inspiring as a good story. I can't help. I can't help laughing at his jokes. They are just too funny. I can't help crying during emotional movies. I can't help feeling nervous before a big taste. I can't help remembering how stunning the museum looked. Interested in. I'm really interested in learning new languages. She is interested in photography and takes amazing pictures. They are interested in starting a business together. The company is interested in hiring someone with experience. Shouldn't we? Shouldn't we leave now if we want to catch the train on time? Shouldn't we be wearing helmets for safety? Shouldn't we try to solve this peacefully? Shouldn't we check the weather before we go out? It's up to you to decide where to go for dinner. It's up to the weather whether we go hiking tomorrow. It's up to the voters to choose the next leader. It's up to each person to take responsibility for their actions. If I were you, I would take that job offer. If I were rich, I would travel the world. If I were a bird, I would fly across the ocean. If I were taller, I could join the basketball team. I would be grateful. I would be grateful if you would send me further details. I would be grateful if you explained it again. I would be grateful for your support. I would be grateful if you would show me the right procedure. In order to improve your English, you need to practice every day. I'm saving money in order to buy a new phone. The teacher spoke slowly in order to help the students understand. Teamwork is required in order to achieve a long-term goal. It is so surprising how fast time flies. It is so exciting to travel to new places. It is so frustrating when the internet doesn't work. The topic was so interesting that it can't overlook. I wonder whether there are good grounds for this experiment. I wonder if it will rain tomorrow. I wonder if she remembered my birthday. I wonder if this is the right answer. I'm sorry to hear that you are not feeling well. I'm sorry to inform you that the event has been cancelled. I'm sorry to bother you so late at night. I'm sorry to tell you the bad news.